Good morning, all the students of class 9th and guardians also. Good morning, sir. Please be careful for history part in the subject of history or social science. I am your history teacher and Hindi teacher also for class 9th. Please open page number 51. कल हम लोग 50 पेज तक पढ़ चुके थे. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट देखिए. बर्थ ऑफ द WEIMR Weimar Republic. Germany, a powerful empire in the early years of the 20th 20th century, fought the First World War 1914 to 1918 alongside the Austrian Empire and against the Allies, England, France, and Russia. All joined the war enthusiastically, enthusiastically, hoping to gain from a quick victory. Little did they realize that the war would stretch on. Eventually, eventually, adverb है ly लगाने से, eventually draining Europe of all its resources. Germany made initial gains by occupying France and Belgium, Belgium. However, the Allies strengthened, strengthened by the US entry in 1917, defeating Germany and the Central Powers in November 1918. Second paragraph you can see in the textbook. Please make notes in the classwork copy also and do your homework in the evening time and learn by heart early in the morning. The second paragraph you can see in that page number 51, history part. I am your history teacher, Pandit Dr. Rakesh Sharma Srivastava. The defeat of Imperial Germany and the abdication of the Emperor have an opportunity means occasion, also, opportunity to parliamentary parties to recast Germany polity. National Assembly met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. Deputies were now elected to the German parliament or Reichstag, Reichstag, on the basis of equal and universal votes cast by all adults, including women. Last para of this page. This republic, however, was not received well by its own people eagerly, largely because of the terms it was forced to accept after Germany's defeat at the end of the First World War, Pratham Vishwa Yuddha. The Peace Treaty Act, नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर, यही हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, उसी का पार्ट है. फिगर नंबर 2 में देखिए, जर्मनी आफ्टर द वर्साइलीज ट्रीटी, VERSAILLES, वर्साइलीज ट्रीटी. You can see in this map the parts of the territory and that Germany lost after the treaty. See the map also. Germany 1914 का है. Land taken from Germany, land under League of Nations control, demilitarized zone. PTO please turn over next page पे आइए. The Peace Treaty Act, Versailles, page number 52. Please open next page. PTO please turn over. Versailles with the Allies was a harsh and humiliating, humiliating peace. Peace one is Shanti. Germany lost its overseas colonies a tenth of its population, 13% of its territories, Bhumi, Bhubhag, TRRITORIES, territories, 75% of its island, and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. Lithuania, Lithuania, Lithuania. The Allied powers demilitarized Germany to weaken its power. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible for the war and damages the Allied countries suffered. Germany was forced to pay compensation amounting to $6 billion. The Allied armies also occupied OCCUPY होता वाई वाई में बदल के ईडी लगाएंगे occupied the resource rich RHINELAND Rhineland for much of the 1920s. Many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war but the disgrace at Versailles. VARSAILLES. 1.1 The effect of the war. The war had a devastating impact on the entire continent, both psychologically, मनोवैज्ञानिक तरीके से, PSYCHOLOGICALL psychologically, and financially, आर्थिक रूप से, LY लगाने से एडवर्ब बन गया है. From a continent of creditors, 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 Europe turned into one of debtors, DEBTORs. Unfortunately, दुर्भाग्य से, UNFORTUNATELY, unfortunately, the infant Weimar Republic was being made to pay for the sins of the old empire. The Republic carried the burden of war guilt and national humiliation, humiliation, and was financially crippled, crippled, by being forced to pay compensation. Those who supported the Weimar Republic, mainly socialists, Catholics, and Democrats, became easy targets of attack in the conservative nationalist circles, CIRCLs. They were mockingly, MOCKINGLY, they were mockingly called the November criminals. This mindset had a major impact on the political developments of the early 1930s as well as we will soon see. Parachin, next paragraph देखिए, page 52 का ही, 13 for the 52. India and the contemporary world. Second last para of this page. The First World War left a deep imprint on European society and polity. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians, CIVILIANS, Navik. Politicians and publicists, 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 laid great stress on the need for men to be aggressive, aggressive means akramanakari, AGGRESSIV, aggressive, strong and masculine, masculine means pulling, male. The media glorified trench life. The truth, however, was that soldiers lived miserable lives in these trenches, trapped with rats feeding on corpses. Corpse means fasal. Full stop. After full stop, in that line, इसी continuation में देखिए, they faced poisonous, POISONOUS, poisonous gas and enemy shelling, SHELLING, and witnessed, WITNESSED, spelling must, and witnessed their ranks reduce rapidly. After full stop, aggressive war propaganda, propaganda means प्रचार, aggressive, आक्रमणकारी होते हुए, and national honor occupied center stage in the public sphere. Public means जनता का जो घेरा है, sphere परिधि है. While popular support grew, grow का past tense grew, grown, grew for conservative dictatorships that had recently come into being. Democracy was indeed a young and fragile idea which could not survive the instabilities, instabilities of interwar Europe. Last para of this page, number 52 का देखिए, 1.2 political radicalism and economic crisis. The birth of the Weimar Republic coincided, coincided with the revolutionary uprising of the Spartacist, Spartacist, Spartacist League on the pattern of the Bolshevik, Bolshevik, Bolshevik revolution in Russia. Soviets of workers and sailors were established. Page number 53 पाइए. See the figure. Figure number 3. This is a rally organized by the radical group known as the Spartacist League, League, this Muslim Spartacist League. In the winter of 1918 and 1919, the streets of Berlin were taken over by the people. Political demonstration became common. पेज नंबर 53 पे ही देखिए, नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर, उसी में इन द मिडिल पार्ट पेज के मध्य भाग में देखिए, इन मेनी सिटीज द पॉलिटिकल एटमॉस्फियर, वातावरण, राजनीतिक वातावरण इन बर्लिन was charged with demands for Soviet style governance. Those opposed to this, such as the socialists, democrats and Catholics, met in Weimar to give shape to the democratic republic. The Weimar Republic crushed the uprising with the help of a war veterans organization called Free Corps. The anguished, the anguished Spartacists later founded the Communist Party of Germany. Communists and socialists henceforth became irreconcilable enemies, dushman, shatru, and could not make common cause against Hitler. Both revolutionaries and militant nationalists craved for radical solutions. Last para of this page. Political radicalization was only heightened, heightened by the economic crisis of 1923. Germany had fought the war largely on loans and had to pay war reparations in gold. This depleted gold reserves at a time resources were scarce. In 1923, Germany refused to pay, and the French occupied its leading industrial area, Ruhr, to claim their coal. Germany retaliated with passive resistance and printed paper currency recklessly, RECKLESSLY. With too much printed money in circulation, the value of the German mark fell. In April, the US dollar was equal to 24,000 marks. In July, 3,53,000 marks. In August, 4,621. 46,21,000 marks and at, see the figure, new words, deplete, reduce, empty out, reparation, reparation, make up for a wrong done. Figure 4 भी देख लीजिए. Baskets and carts माने गाड़ी, बैलगाड़ी उसमें चलता था. Baskets टोकरियाँ. Baskets and carts being loaded at a bank in Berlin with paper currency for wage payment. 1923. The German mark had so little value that vast amounts had to be used even for small payments. PTO. Next page. नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद. और इसके बाद हम लोग हिंदी का पार्ट शुरू करेंगे, कृतिका एंड क्षितिज. थैंक यू. गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. वेल डन. नोट्स बनाइए, कंठस्थ करिए ध्यान से. वेरी गुड.